evaluate the limit. Here is we got 5, let me write in this way, 5x squared over x squared plus y squared times y. Okay, if we write this function in this way, 5 is always positive number, obviously. X squared over x squared plus y squared is also positive number. Okay, and the only problem here is y. And at the same time, we know that x squared over x squared plus y squared is less than equal to 1, because bottom got more than more. Okay, just y squared more, x squared plus y squared, so it will be less than equal to 1. Looks like we can find the lower bound for this function and upper bound for this function, and if we are able to find the limits of lower bound and upper bound, then we can use the squeeze theorem. So let's try to do that. So this function is in fact 5x squared y over x squared plus y squared is less than equal to 5. I'm just going from here, 5 times x squared over x squared plus y squared less than 1. And y, this could be positive, negative, but if I write absolute y, then this will be always positive. So this is true. What happens is any function y or x is always less than equal to, I meant other way around, this function is always less than equal to absolute y. Okay, this could be negative, but this is always positive. So this will be always bigger or equal. If they are both positive, they are equal. And on the other hand, if we try in the left side, 5 is just 5 there, and this one is 1. Okay, this is 1. If we put negative number, then negative will be always less in this way. Okay, 5 times 1 times y. Here is x, 5 is 5, y, if we put negative of absolute y, that will be smaller because of negative. Y and absolute y is bigger, but if we put negative, then it will be smaller. X squared over x squared plus y squared, I mean this number, x squared plus y squared, this is in fact 1 is bigger, but if we put negative in the front, this will be smaller. I mean this will be the case. Okay, this is always positive, so this negative will take care of that part. Okay, since this is negative number, and this will be smaller. Like if you have like 3 and 5, this looks bigger, but if we put negative, then this will be smaller. Okay, and this could be negative as well, but this is smaller. So this will be the case. I mean, you can just take the value of y and think about it. Now let's take the limit. Now we take the limit when x, y goes to 0, 0 of this negative 5y. This is simply 0, because all we have to do is plug in y equals 0 here, and limit of this y is also 0. Just simply plug in y equals 0. That means the limit of this function by the squeeze theorem, limit of x, y going to 0, 0 of 5x squared y over x squared plus y squared is also 0. Final